friends! We are the team behind the Cal Poly Pomona Bronco Startup Challenge.
The Bronco Startup Challenge is a business competition designed to encourage students to fulfill their dream of create their own business. Our contestants come from all of type of majors.
From prototyping to creating a company, the competition offers growth opportunities for Broncos. The startups that come out of the Bronco Startup Challenge are original, fresh, and have the impetus to make a difference.
Several successful businesses were created, some of which received venture capital funding. The donations help these teams immensely to reach this stage.
We're here today to encourage donations to further execute the Bronco Startup Challenge. The prize money will help contestants develop their product and create their businesses.
We are aiming for an $8,000 goal to distribute to the finalists. These donations will assist winners to directly invest in their developing businesses.
Early financial support for these exciting businesses is crucial for their survival and success. Your donations are greatly appreciated and go a long way.